China is building a dam over Brahmaputra. We've all heard that news, and this is not a good news for the India. We all know that. But do you know that China is not the only country who's weaponizing the rivers? Yes, you heard it right. Weaponizing the rivers, because water is the new oil, and there will be wars for the water and with the water. I'll explain you how. From Nile in Africa and Indus in Pakistan, from Euphrates in Syria to Brahmaputra in India, rivers are being used as missiles. When you have control over the water, you can flood the area whenever you want, and you can starve them to the death when it's convenient to you. China has built over 87,000 dams. Turkey cut over water to Iraq. Ethiopia is holding Egypt hostage with the Nile, and India is caught in the middle of silent war. This isn't about the climate or the clean energy anymore. This is all about geopolitical dominance. Rivers are no longer sacred or natural. They are the weapons on the border now. The experts are predicting the next world war will not over the oil, it will be over the water, and the battlefield will be the flow of water over the borders. In fact, in India, we are facing it in interstate as well. Like Punjab doesn't want to give water to Haryana, and same with Haryana and Delhi, and there are other states as well. What are your views over it? Do you think that using rivers, which are the natural resources for the living being and the most basic necessity to live, should be used like weapons? You store gold, you save money, but how much water are you planning to store? When water becomes the power, where will you stand? Is this future avoidable, or is it already there? What do you think about it?